I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing some news from Airfix about a previously unannounced reissue, the superb 1/48 scale Avro Anson. This set contains markings for 3 aircraft and appears to use the full range of parts we saw available in the first release of the kit a couple of years back. Scheme A shows an aircraft flown by the Portuguese government in 1947. The paint is all over silver. Scheme B is an aircraft of 13th Squadron Naval Cooperation of the Hellenic Air Force in 1941, which later served in 13th Light Bomber Squadron under the auspices of the Royal Air Force. Scheme C is an aircraft of the station flight of RAF Sydenham in Belfast, operated by the Royal Navy in 1955. RAF Sydenham is now the George Best Belfast City Airport. Detailed photos show this kit is as good as it was last time around. I'm certainly looking at getting another one to make. Now, the last thing I heard, stock was due to be available from the 8th of October, so your favourite stores should be able to take orders right now. UK recommended retail price is £49.99. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you again soon. Take good care now, and goodbye.